So we got the motor in after we rebuilt it, which is a small block 400. And our problem was we had it just wouldn't start. Like we were getting no power to the distributor to even get a spark, nothing. So eventually we found out it was a neutral safety switch. So finally got one, and using my LED channel letter, finally got in there and we just put it on to test to see if it'd work okay. So that was a pain. So what we did next was put a little gas in the carb, of course, to see if the grill will start. Sounds pretty good. I think I need a few things on the, we got some vacuuming to try to figure out, but first start, not bad.